Hello, I am Kodili-nye. This is solar working in London, UK as part of Sight and Sound of London, UK. Solar panel, are you shocked? Yes, there is solar at work in London, UK. I'm gonna show you another one if you are in doubt. This is solar at its best in UK. You might be talking about that UK is very cold. There won't be there won't be need for solar, but there is solar. It's working. Let me show you another one. That's another solar on this building. You can see the solar. I think you're seeing it. That's solar. Another solar in UK. Subscribe, share.